Today's project are these matching campaign dressers. I found them on Facebook Marketplace. At first glance, they look like they're in good condition, but as you can see as I zoom in, there was a lot of just a lot of scuffs, a lot of dings. The top is laminate. So on this particular set, I decided to offer them up on my Facebook Marketplace as a customization. So I just threw them out there to see if anybody wanted to, and someone took me up on it. So I was able to put a mood board together for her to help her choose whatever color she wanted. And she actually decided on a blush color. And so I tried out a few different kinds, and you'll see I put a mood board together and we kind of narrowed down, and she ended up choosing Insightful Rose by Sherwin Williams. Once I gave it a good clean and took all the hardware off, I decided to go ahead and strip all of the paint off. Sometimes you can just give a good scuff sand and repaint, but in this particular case, it was really thick. And so in order to get a good paint finish, I needed to go ahead and strip off those paint layers. I'm using citrus strip, and then I'm covering it with plastic wrap, and then I'm just using steel wool, some lacquer thinner, wire brushes, just to get off the rest of the residue. It's good I went ahead and stripped it because, whoops, come to find out there was another layer of yellow paint underneath the white. So it definitely needed it, and so it took a while. I had to do all of the drawers, I had to do the body, but once I got it down to raw, then I could just build it back up. Now I'm going to prep to paint. I'm going to go ahead and tape up my drawers to prevent overspray, get my spray booth area all cleaned up and ready to go. For this particular project, I decided just to use spray primer. This is Sherwin Williams paint. This is their emerald line, their urethane trim enamel, and the color is Insightful Rose. I love to use Sherwin Williams paint. It goes on very easily. You can spray it, you can brush and roll it. It is very forgiving. It is self-leveling. It does not need a top coat. So this is one of my go-to paints that I really enjoy using. I did have a couple of the drawer guides that I needed to replace, so after all the repairs, I did go ahead and spray out all of the hardware, gave it a really nice fresh coat of gold paint as well. Let's look back at the before, little scuffed up, but after stripping and painting, here they are. Nice and fresh and clean. I love this color. It's kind of an adult pink. I think the light reflective value was a 47, so it's a really beautiful mid-tone color. Tell me what you think.